The EV market has been buzzing with anticipation, and GMC has delivered a thunderous response with the 2024 Hummer EV SUV. From its rugged design to its powerful performance, the Hummer EV SUV is set to redefine what an electric SUV can be. But can this behemoth of American engineering truly live up to the hype? Let's find out. The 2024 GMC Hummer EV SUV is not just a head-turner, it's a powerhouse on wheels. At its core lies the revolutionary Ultium Drive System with performance electronic four-wheel drive. This cutting-edge electric powertrain utilizes two motors, one in the front and one in the rear, to deliver an estimated 625 horsepower and a mind-boggling 7,400 foot-pound of torque, enough torque to tow a small planet. This beast goes from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds, faster than some supercars. And the crazy part is that it reaches a top speed of over 106 miles per hour. But raw power is nothing without control, and that's where the Hummer EV SUV truly shines. The electronic four-wheel steer with CrabWalk is a game-changing feature. At speeds less than 25 miles per hour, the rear tires can turn in the opposite direction of the front tires, offering unprecedented maneuverability for a vehicle of this size. The CrabWalk feature takes this a step further, allowing the vehicle to move diagonally at low speeds. A party trick that's sure to turn heads, but also incredibly useful in certain off-road situations. The adaptive air ride suspension provides a smooth ride on-road, but it also offers an extract mode that can raise the vehicle by approximately 6 inches to surmount tough obstacles. This, combined with the aggressive all-terrain tires and robust skid plates, makes the Hummer EV SUV a formidable off-road machine. When it comes to charging, the Hummer EV SUV is equally impressive. It supports DC fast charging up to 300 kilowatts, currently the fastest charging capability available in any production EV. This means you can add significant range in just a few minutes of charging. It comes with a 19.2 kilowatt capable onboard charging module for at-home charging. With a professionally installed 19.2 kilowatt AC dedicated charge station, you can achieve impressive charge rates, minimize downtime, and ensure your vehicle is always ready for your next adventure. While official range figures for the SUV version haven't been released, based on the pickup variant, we can expect a range of around 300 miles on a full charge. This should be enough for most daily driving scenarios and weekend getaways. Now, let's talk about the visual spectacle that is the 2024 Hummer EV SUV. It takes the iconic Hummer silhouette and catapults it into the future. The front end is dominated by a full-width LED light bar that serves as a striking design element and functional lighting system. It's part of what GMC calls the GMC Hummer EV SUV signature lighting. But the visual spectacle doesn't stop there. The infinity roof with removable sky panels is a standout feature. Yes, this SUV has a modular roof system that allows you to open the cabin to the sky. It includes 4 storage bags for the panels, and even the front eye bar is removable. One of the most intriguing exterior features is the power hood. Activated from the front fascia touchpad, it adds a touch of theatrical flair to the vehicle. It provides easy access to the trunk, a front storage compartment with 11.3 cubic feet of lit storage space. The Hummer EV SUV rides on massive 22-inch gloss black painted aluminum wheels that are specially designed to handle the immense torque of the electric powertrain while still providing excellent off-road capability. Step inside the 2024 GMC Hummer EV SUV and you'll find yourself in a cockpit that feels more like a spaceship than a traditional SUV. The centerpiece is the massive 13.4-inch diagonal GMC Premium Infotainment System with Google built in. The system includes a multi-touch display, AM/FM Sirius XM radio capabilities, Bluetooth streaming audio and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. You can customize and manage entertainment and vehicle settings. The driver gets his own 12.3-inch diagonal color driver information center, which can be customized to display everything from vehicle information to warning messages. The audio system in the 2024 GMC Hummer EV SUV is nothing short of spectacular. It features a Bose 14-speaker surround sound and centerpoint audio system. Bose is renowned for its expert sound engineering, and with speakers positioned throughout the cabin, you'll get rich concert-like sound whether you're cruising down the highway or tackling off-road trails. Comfort is king in the Hummer EV SUV. The front bucket seats are wrapped in premium leather alternative seating surfaces and offer 12-way power adjustability for both driver and passenger, including 4-way power lumbar support. But it's not just about adjustability. These seats are heated and ventilated, offering 3 levels of warmth and cooling for both cushions and seat backs. The rear outboard seats are also heated, ensuring your passengers stay comfortable no matter the weather. The Tri-Zone automatic climate control system is a testament to GMC's attention to detail. It allows the driver, front passenger, and rear passengers to set their own temperature preferences. Sensors throughout the vehicle constantly monitor temperature, including solar heating from the windows to maintain optimal comfort. One of the most impressive features is the Super Cruise driver assistance technology. This hands-free driving system works on compatible roads and even includes automatic lane-changing capability. It's like having a co-pilot who never gets tired, although it's important to note that the driver must always remain attentive and ready to take control. Regarding safety, the 2024 GMC Hummer EV SUV doesn't just meet expectations, it shatters them. This vehicle is packed with cutting-edge safety and driver assistance features, making it one of the most technologically advanced SUVs on the road today. Let's start with the enhanced automatic emergency braking. This system uses radar and camera technology to detect potential collisions with vehicles ahead. If a collision is imminent, it can automatically apply hard emergency braking or enhance the driver's braking to help avoid or reduce the severity of impact. This feature works at speeds above 2 miles per hour, providing an extra layer of safety in various driving situations. The HD surround vision system takes situational awareness to the next level. It provides a bird's-eye view of the area around your vehicle, making parking and maneuvering in tight spaces a breeze. This system even includes 2 trailer camera provisions, allowing for features like a transparent trailer view when properly equipped. Now, let's talk about what really sets the Hummer EV SUV apart from other luxury electric vehicles: its off-road prowess. This isn't just an urban cruiser, it's a true off-road beast that's ready to tackle the toughest terrains. The adaptive air ride suspension we mentioned earlier isn't just for show. In extract mode, it can raise the vehicle by approximately 6 inches, providing impressive ground clearance for overcoming obstacles. Combined with the aggressive all-terrain tires and robust underbody protection, this system allows the Hummer EV SUV to go places most other vehicles, electric or otherwise, wouldn't dare. The electronic 4-wheel steer with CrabWalk feature truly comes into its own in off-road situations. The ability to move diagonally can be a lifesaver when navigating tight trails or maneuvering around obstacles. It's a unique capability that sets the Hummer EV SUV apart from traditional 4x4 vehicles. The Ultium Drive System's E4-wheel drive capability ensures power is delivered where it's needed most. The system can send up to 100% of available torque to either the front or rear wheels, providing optimal traction in challenging conditions. With the immense torque available from the electric motors, rock crawling and hill climbing become almost effortless. GMC has also included a number of off-road specific features in the infotainment system. The 13.4-inch touchscreen can display off-road data, helping you navigate tricky terrain with confidence. You can monitor things like pitch and roll angles, torque output, and wheel articulation in real time. While the Hummer EV SUV is clearly designed with performance and off-road capability in mind, GMC hasn't forgot about utility. This vehicle comes equipped with a comprehensive trailering package that includes a trailer hitch, a 7-wire electrical harness, and an integrated trailer brake controller. While GMC hasn't released official towing capacity figures for the SUV version, we can expect it to be substantial based on the pickup variant. The Hummer EV SUV's immense torque output should make towing even heavy loads feel effortless. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: the price. The 2024 GMC Hummer EV SUV 2xe 4-wheel drive comes with a net price of $99,470. Yes, you read that correctly, it's knocking on the door of 6 figures. It's also worth noting that this price is for the 2xe 4-wheel drive trim. GMC typically offers multiple trim levels for their vehicles, so we can expect both less expensive and more premium options as the Hummer EV SUV line expands. While the price tag will certainly be a barrier for many potential buyers, for those who can afford it, the Hummer EV SUV offers a unique combination of features and capabilities that justify its premium positioning in the market. What do you think? Is the Hummer EV SUV the future of electric vehicles, or is it too much of a good thing? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.